one of the big challenges has been siloed departments across maintenance, reliability, across asset management. I'm curious, in your eyes and in the perfect world, how do the best companies that you've seen and worked with really incorporate maintenance, reliability, and asset management? Are they three different departments, or do they all live under one umbrella? And how do you differentiate each one of those?
So I'm gonna answer that by not necessarily saying what I've seen in the companies that I've worked with,
Okay.
because, but let's start by saying if I had to set this up in a perfect world, the asset management department would be a kind of a corporate department with governance responsibilities, and then uh, the within each of the departments, then you would have responsibility for executing according to the governance that has been set up. Um, so that doesn't change the fact that there still needs to be a maintenance department that is responsible for um, executing the life cycle delivery activities and a reliability section. My my uh, my my challenge, or I have a bit of a challenge with combining maintenance and reliability, because I see reliability as a quality function,
Hmm.
and a function that should be looking at waste and and waste from maintenance works, waste from not achieving performance, waste from the production or operation side of the business. So in my world, in my asset intensive company, I would actually put reliability to be resident with
Yeah.
asset management. I wouldn't put it with maintenance. So and that again, we talk about asset management and how it is all encompassing, but doing that and doing asset management right suggests to me that we will improve the quality and delivery of maintenance. We will improve the quality and delivery of reliability. We will
Hmm.
improve the quality of operations, how we operate the assets. We will improve our supply chain processes. We will even improve our HR practices, because we will be aware of competences and how we're going to manage the competences over the long run. But that doesn't change the fact that we still need some of the silos in terms of the functional expertise
Yeah.
still need to be clicking. We still need our maintenance manager to be an ace maintenance manager. We still need a fitter to be an ace fitter. We still need a planner to be versed in planning and scheduling and so on. So it's not to say that everybody is going to drop everything else that they're doing and start to do asset management, because all of these are
Yeah.
functions within asset management.
You can't run an asset management plan without every single function in
Exactly.
person.